Orange is built around widgets communicating with one another. They send different types of output to the right side and accept various inputs on their left side. To adjust connection types, double-click on the connection. An Edit Links window opens. Here you see the transmitting widget on the left and the receiving widget on the right, along with their input and output types. Data table, for example, has two kinds of output: selected data and data. Scatterplot, on the other hand, has three types of input: data, data subset, and features. Features is disabled, since data table doesn't transmit any output of type feature. The other connections can be rewired. Say we want to connect data to data instead of the default. To remove the connection, click on it. Now drag a new connection from data to data. Confirm by clicking OK. The data output contains all the data with an added variable label. You can remove the connection also by selecting it and pressing Delete. Another final trick is to press and hold Shift when hovering over widget inputs or outputs. This will show all available connections. In this way, I can select a suitable output and connect it to a suitable input directly. Remember to keep holding Shift while establishing a connection.